So hey everyone, welcome to Next Gen Learners, and today we are going to discuss about the number system. So have you ever wondered how just a few digits can build the entire worlds of mathematics? From counting your steps to decoding computer languages, it all starts from with the number system. But here's the truth: most students either rush through it or fear it. Not anymore. नंबर्स ये सिर्फ मैथमेटिक्स की शुरुआत नहीं है बल्कि पूरे मैथ्स की नींव है. हैव यू एवर थॉट व्हाई डू वी इवन नीड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स लाइक नेचुरल, वूल, इंटीजर, रेशनल, इरेशनल? साउंड्स कंफ्यूजिंग, राइट? डोंट वरी, आज के सेशन में हम नंबर सिस्टम को बिल्कुल क्लियर वे में पढ़ेंगे. सो वेदर यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर ए बोर्ड एग्जाम, competitive paper, or just want to clear your basics once and for all, stay with me till the end because ये सिर्फ एक वीडियो नहीं है बल्कि आपके स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन की एक शुरुआत है. So let's start and decode the world of number system. First of all, let's discuss about what is actually the number system is. So a number system is a system of representing and expressing numbers in a consistent and organized way. मीन संख्यात्मक पद्धति एक प्रणाली है जिसके माध्यम से हम संख्याओं को एक निश्चित क्रम में लिखते और पढ़ते हैं. नाउ लेट्स क्विकली डिस्कस अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स. सो द टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर इज फर्स्ट इज नेचुरल नंबर. फर्स्ट इज natural numbers means प्राकृतिक संख्याएं. So if I tell you the definition of this, so what the natural numbers actually are. So natural number are basically the all the counting numbers starting from 1. So जितनी भी गिनती की संख्या हैं जो 1 से स्टार्ट होती हैं, like if I tell you the example of natural number, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So these are all natural numbers. So, वो सारे नंबर्स जो काउंटिंग नंबर्स हैं, मीन्स जो 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं. नाउ लेट्स क्विकली डिस्कस अबाउट द सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ नंबर, दैट इज whole number. Whole number is basically called पूर्णांक संख्याएं. In हिंदी we says पूर्णांक संख्याएं. So what is the definition of whole number? Natural number along with zero. So all the natural number. So basically all the natural number and plus 0. So if I include 0 in natural numbers, so those numbers are called whole numbers. And what are the example of whole number is? So the examples are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Means if we include, these are the natural numbers and we have just included 0 in this. So these are the whole number. Now let's discuss quickly about the even number. Even number in Hindi we says सम संख्याएं. So what are the even numbers? So even number are basically divisible by 2. So all the numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even number. Like if I tell you the example of even number is, so the 4, 2, 4, 6, 8 and even 0. So these are all even numbers. Now let's quickly discuss about the divisibility by 2 mean. What divisible by 2 actually means. So the divisible by 2 means divisible by 2. So let's say I am having a number 15. So if I divide by 15 by 2, so what I will get? I will get 7, 2 7 is 14 and I will get 1 as remainder. So 15 is not divisible by 15 divisible by 2 is equal to 0. No, that is not true. Because हमें रिमाइंडर यहाँ पे 0 नहीं मिला, हमें रिमाइंडर 1 मिला. So 15 is not divisible by 2. Now let's say the example of 16. If I divide 16 by 2, so I will get 16 towards the 16 and I will get 0 0 as remainder. So 16 is divisible by 2. So 16 is an even number and 15 are is not an even number. Now let's discuss about the odd number. Fourth type of numbers are is odd number. So what odd number called in Hindi विषम संख्याएं? So all those numbers which are not divisible by, not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. If I tell you the example of odd numbers, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these are all odd numbers because these are odd numbers are not divisible by 2 completely. Means if you divide by, if you divide 2 1 by 2, so you will get 1 as remainder. If you divide 3 by 2, so 1 4 1 7 1 remainder, 9 1 remainder. So all these are giving 1 remainder when divisible by 2. So these are the odd numbers. Now let's quickly define the fifth type of number, that are prime number. Prime numbers means अभाज्य संख्याएं. So what are the prime numbers? So a prime numbers greater than 1 and that have only two factor, 1 and itself. A number जिसके only two factors होंगे, so वो number हमारा prime number होगा. Like if I tell you the factor of 15, so what are the factor of 15? 1, then 3, then 5, and then 15. So how many factor are there of 15? So there are 15, 4 factor means 4 factor. So 15 is not a prime number. And if I tell you the example of others, so let's discuss quickly what are the other numbers. The prime number basically जिनके एक और वो नंबर खुद से फैक्टर्स होंगे, वो नंबर सारे प्राइम नंबर्स होंगे. We will discuss about the factors of a number in upcoming chapters in detail explanation. Till then वो यहाँ पर सिर्फ आप समझो कि उनके एग्जाम्पल्स हैं 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So these all are prime numbers. Means if you divisible, if you what are the factor of 2? The factor of 2 is 1 and 2. What are the factor of 3? 1 and 3. What are the factor of 5? 1 and 5. What are the factor of 13? 1 and 13 itself. So there is no other factor in between. इन दोनों के रेंज के बीच में और कोई फैक्टर नहीं है इसका. सो ऑल दीज नंबर्स आर prime numbers means अभाज्य संख्याएं. Now let's discuss about the composite number. So number fifth is composite numbers. And what are the composite numbers? Means संयुक्त या फिर संगठित संख्याएं. संयुक्त संख्याएं. So what are the composite numbers? Numbers with more than two factors. जिन numbers के दो से ज़्यादा factors होंगे वो सारे number क्या होंगे? वो सारे number हमको composite numbers के ग्रुप में डालना पड़ेंगे. So वो सारे number composite numbers होंगे like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. If I tell you the factor of 4, so 1, 2, and 4. If I tell you the factor of 6, 1, 2, 3, and 6. If I tell you the factor of 10, 1, 2, 5, and 10. So you can see here the numbers, they are having more than two factors. Here 3 factors. Here it has 4 factor. 10 has 4 factor. So these numbers are more than two factors. So those numbers are called composite, means संयुक्त संख्या composite number. Now let's quickly discuss about the rational numbers. So what are the rational numbers? So the rational numbers means परिमेय संख्याएं. So what are the rational numbers? Numbers that can be expressed in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. जिन नंबर्स को हम p upon q के रूप में लिख सकते हैं और q शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0, वो सारे नंबर क्या होंगे? वो सारे नंबर हमें रेशनल नंबर्स में देखने को मिलेंगे, लाइक 1/2, -3/4, 5, 0.75 and so on. So all these examples are of rational numbers. ये सारे rational numbers हैं. Here p is 1 and q is 2. Here q is 4. Here q is 1 actually, and here q is 0.75. If I convert this in fraction, so I will get q as 100. If I divide by 25, so I will get 75 upon 100, uh, 3 upon 4. So here q is 4. So these are the example of rational number. Now let's discuss quickly about the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational number means अपरिमेय संख्याएं. So numbers that cannot be expressed in the form of p upon q and have non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. वे सभी नंबर जो p upon q के रूप में नहीं लिख सकते और जिनके दशमलव अनंत और दोहराव रहित होते हैं, those number are called irrational, means अपरिमेय संख्याएं, numbers. So examples are √2, √3, pi, pi. So these all are the number of rational numbers. Now let's discuss about the next, that is real number. Real number means वास्तविक संख्याएं. So what are the rational number? Real numbers are, so real numbers are rational number प्लस irrational numbers. रेशनल नंबर और रेशनल नंबर को मिला के जो नंबर्स होंगे वो सारे रियल नंबर्स में आएंगे. मीन्स यू कैन सी हियर, यू कैन consider as real number is rational number and plus irrational numbers. So these all are the types of real numbers. So what are the example? इनके example है 1, -2, 0, 3 and 4, √2, pi. So these are the real numbers. You can see here, this is a rational number, this is rational number, this is rational number, this is irrational number, this is irrational number. So you can see here, यहाँ पे मैंने सारे examples को include कर दिया. So these are the example of real number. Now let's discuss quickly about the number 10, which is imaginary number. So what are the imaginary number? Means काल्पनिक संख्याएं. So what are the imaginary numbers? So numbers which give negative results when squared, and these numbers involve under root -1, means I. So if I tell you the example of these, so and here 3i minus 2i. So these are all the, here we are including e, means I means imaginary, I means imaginary. So these are the imaginary numbers जिसमें हम I को include करते हैं. Now let's discuss quickly about the complex number. Number 11. Here is the number 11, that is complex numbers, means सम्मिश्र संख्याएं. So what are the complex number? So numbers of the form a plus ib. This is the most important equation. And this equation is of complex number. Sometimes we also written this. We also write this equation as a plus ib. So this part is called real part, and this part is called, this is imaginary part. So imaginary part mean this is Vastvik bhag and this is Kalpnik bhag. So there are two parts of complex number, one is real and one is imaginary. So if I tell you the example of complex number, so the example of complex number are 2 plus 3i, 4 minus 5i, minus 5 plus 3i. So all these are the example of a complex number. Now let's discuss about the number 12, that is integers, means पूर्ण संख्याएं. So what are the integers number? So integers all positive and negative whole number including zero, positive to and negative including zero as well. So positive number including negative number and including zero. So we can say here सभी सकारात्मक और नकारात्मक पूर्णांक संख्याएं जिसमें जीरो भी शामिल है वो हमारे सब होते हैं इंटीजर्स. So examples minus infinite, 0 to plus infinite. So these are the example of integer number. You can take any number, -3, -2, 0, 5, 4. All these are the example of integer numbers. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you learning made easy, one class at a time. If this helped you today, stay connected. More smart learning is just a click away. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Next Gen Learners. See you in the next one. Bye.